Welcome again to this WordPress tutorial for creating an image gallery in your content. Now you can create this image gallery in the middle of your content like I'm going to do, or you could create it on a blank page. I would recommend that you have some content with your images, just because search engines like to read content. But let's put this gallery right in the middle here between these two paragraphs. And to do that, I made some space, and I'm going to click Add Media, just like we did to add an image. And you can see I already uploaded these images from the Add Image tutorial earlier. And this is the Insert Media page, but I want to create a gallery. So let's create a gallery. I'm going to click that. And here the same stuff pops up, but it behaves a little differently. So I can click multiple images without holding down Shift, and then I get these images selected below here. And I can select all of them, and now I have 10 selected, so that's what I want in my gallery. You can actually go through and add titles to all these images, which I would recommend. Titles and alt text at least. You can decide whether you want a caption or not. I think I'm going to leave this caption in there to show you a little hiccup a little bit later. But for now, I'm just going to leave these just as they are and create a new gallery. So now the gallery is created, and I can delete images from it by clicking the Remove button. I can add more images to this gallery by clicking over here, Add to Gallery. And I can change some gallery settings over here. I'm going to link to media file to show you what that looks like. We already talked about the attachment page link. And I want to make it a 4-column gallery, so I'm going to have 4 images, 1, 2, 3, 4 across the page. And I can also add captions at this point. I can see the caption that I added before to this image. And I can even change the order to reverse it. I can click and drag images to change their order as well. Or I can select random order over here. But I like this order the way that I've set it. So let's just insert this gallery. And you can see there's just kind of a block here, a light blue block, showing us that there's this gallery is going to take this space between our content, between one paragraph and another. And I can go back and edit this gallery by clicking on it and then clicking one of these buttons, and I'll get this page again, Edit Gallery, which we were just here, so I don't need that. I can also delete this gallery or an image by clicking on this Delete button. You can see that again. It's this red circle with the line through it. And here it is again on this image. But I think this gallery is good for now. Let's actually preview it and see what it looks like. There's our image from before, and we can see our gallery. Now, you can see what I'm talking about with this caption. This caption is actually pushing this next row of images down a little bit. So I don't like to use captions in this area because of this problem. Now if you have captions on every one of these images, then it won't be as big of a deal because you'll have this consistent text all the way across and it'll look good. That's really up to you as to whether or not you want to put them here or not. But you can have captions on the image and then remove them from this part. So to do that, I would click into here and go to edit this gallery. I would scroll down and get rid of this caption by hitting backspace or delete. And then update gallery and preview it. I could also just as easily publish it. And then I scroll down and see that it has no caption. And just so you can see, as opposed to an attachment page, these are linking to the media file. So if I click on this image, then I get the actual image itself. This is a JPG file. It's a type of image file. And I can zoom in just by clicking. That's the browser doing that work. but there's no page. I can't jump between different pictures from here. I have to click the back button. So that's not really preferable. I'll show you in another tutorial later on a plugin that will create a light box. And so you'll click on the image and it will come up in this box and the background will get dark and you'll still be able to see the website behind it. But we'll talk about that a little bit later in one of the plugin tutorials. Thanks for watching.